guys, what is up? I'm here because I did not like the video quality on my last video, so I've been messing with the settings on this camera, and this is pretty much the best I can do. I think it looks good, and I'm working on doing my body with Gorilla Tape to make it more durable and it lasts longer and the paint doesn't wear off. I already did my old body and it's pretty durable now. I do not know if I'm going to be using this mount for my first person videos. What I did was this waterproof case has a bicycle mount, and I just put this on the rear bumper, and it worked pretty good, but my footage was it was unsuccessful. But I'm gonna do a run video tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna be here at my house or if my brother's gonna take me back to my grandparents' yard and do a bashing video there, because there's a lot to do over there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments what you guys think of the new camera. And I put my Valenian stickers, my Traxxas stickers, and my Valenian logo right there. Still gotta finish this before I'm gonna run this body. But this body right here, I mean, it is good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Later.